At first sight, this looks like one of Matchbox's fantasy vehicles, but the 126X was an actual concept car designed by Nissan, and a very peculiar one at that, with some remarkable features. Let's see what it was all about, how it looked, and how we can make this superfast model look a bit more like the original. Hi everyone, I'm Johan, and this is Belgian Diecast Restorations, your place for diecast factory resets and makeovers.
Welcome to Belgian Diecast Restorations.
Matchbox introduced the Datsun 126X in 1973 and it remained in production until 1978. It was always produced in yellow with an orange bottom plate and amber windows. The interior was chromed since it also incorporated the engine, which could be revealed by opening the rear hatch. There was also a streakless version with black and yellow flame tempos, and in 1986 Matchbox dusted off the old molds and reused them in their Super GT series, which were simplified designs with black plastic windows and no interior or opening features. However, none of the designs came even close to the original concept car. The 126X was designed by Nissan and showcased at the 1971 Tokyo Motor Show. The striking, futuristic design of the car featured an ingenious warning system with red, yellow and green lights, not only on the rear but also on the hood, so even people in front of the car could see if the car was accelerating or braking. The Nissan 126X had a 6-cylinder 3-liter engine in the rear with 4-wheel drive. However, there is no evidence that the concept car was ever roadworthy. The rebranded Datsun 126X by Matchbox is not a rare or valuable model. Unfortunately, I can't do much about the amber color of these windows, but let's see how far we can get to make this look like the original Nissan concept car. So let's get to tools and give this model a makeover. This Matchbox Superfast Datsun 126X was a popular model that could be found in lots of toy boxes of the 70s. It was based on the Nissan 126X concept car, which of course had a completely different color scheme than this bright superfast car. With flaking paint and a busted windscreen, this was a good candidate for a custom paint job. I sourced a replacement window and tried to follow the color scheme of the Nissan 126X, with a light grey body and dark grey accents. It does look a lot nicer than the original, and the wheels from the Greenlight Pursuit pack heighten the realism. Not perfect, but neither is his coarse casting. I wonder if there were any large-scale models made of this car. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, as this helps my videos to climb up in YouTube's algorithm. Thanks for watching, and see you again next time.
Belgian Diecast Restorations.